Hello everyone, how are you now? Today I will tell you about a tool that is the best tool in the world of the internet. You can quickly like the video, press the bell icon, and share it, and you must comment now, and I forgot to say one thing. Subscribe to our channel. Here I want to tell you about the very best tool. With the help of this tool you can easily do domain analytics, keyword planning. Keywords analytics can also do a lot. You can easily do domain analytics, keyword analytics, lead generation, and much more here. That's SEMrush. You can also make more and more money with the help of this tool. You can also generate traffic for your website as well as blog. So what are you waiting for? Link in the description box. Check out and start today. Thanks.
View of your blog, searches for backlinking openings, and parts more. SEMrush is trusted by web advertisers everywhere on over the world. It is likewise utilized by various organizations, of all shapes and sizes. SEMrush Traffic Analytics is market knowledge and serious exploration instrument that gives assessments of any site's work area and portable traffic. It can help you benchmark, assess another market or specialty, and even form an effective media purchasing system. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the video, so subscribe my channel.